Welcome back to 9th class in the Hope School and College Mirwa Gord channel. As I introduced this book along the series of chapters in my previous video, and in today's session I will give the complete overview on the first chapter, Fundamentals of Chemistry. Fundamentals of Chemistry is the introduction to the basic and important concept on which the whole chemical study depends. That's why it's mandatory section to learn and understand. Before overviewing, I wanna consider some interesting learning strategies which helps you to realize each concept effectively. You are looking, there are 7 major concepts to comprehend. Let's starting from the historical background of chemistry. To explore history, we go through the discovery, storytelling, and various demonstration methods. For instance, we will see who made early discoveries in chemistry and how they contributed to the modern society today. Materials such as plastic, synthetic rubber, sulfuric acid, and medicines like penicillin all are originated from the chemical industry of early Muslims who were chemistry revolutionists. For example, the father of chemistry. Can you guess who is he? He is Jabir ibn Hayyan or Jabir, son of druggist. He lived from 722 AD to approximately 815 AD. He spent most of his time in Iraq in Kufa and scientifically systemized chemistry. He devised and perfected many chemical processes like distillation, liquefaction, crystallization, sublimation, amalgamation, and filtration. Most of the processes are still used the same way today. His most famous one is distillation process. The glassware he used were also designed by him, most of which is still shaped the same. He also built a precise scale which weighed an atom 6,480 times smaller than a kilogram or 2.2 pounds. Jabir ibn Hayyan was also weigh atoms and compounds and how they combine to form a bombs. He also attempted to make papers that cannot burn and ink that can allow to read in dark. His fascinating work were included in Great Book of Chemical Properties, the Way and Measures, the Chemical Combination and the Dyes. The great work of his all done in his laboratory in Kufa. Similarly, we will see all the contributions of scientists with the time chronology. Now we will see the second major concept, branches of chemistry, by using the brainstorming, heuristic and various project methods. There are many types of chemistry such as physical, organic, inorganic, industrial, nuclear, environmental, analytical, medicinal, quantum, green and biochemistry. Here we will discuss few types of chemistry. Analytical chemistry. It is a study involving how analyze the chemical compound of a sample. For example, how much caffeine is there in a cup of tea? Biochemistry. The study of chemical process is in living organism. Everything in a body is made up of atoms and molecules of different chemical compounds like carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. This is what we study in biochemistry. Likewise, third and fourth major concepts are basic definitions and chemical species. And both we will comprehend substance, matter, element, atom, ion, molecule, molecular ion, compound, and mixture by using drill, Socratic, inductive, lecture, discussion, talk was talk, problem solving, and various tutorial methods. For example, what is an atom? To keep it in simple words, atoms are the smallest unit of matter and building blocks of everything in a universe. It will be in solid, liquid, or gas. From the grain of sand to strand of hair, to your body, to the planets, star, and the moon, to the infinity and beyond. Furthermore, we will understand the fifth major concept, the chemical equation and balancing chemical equation by using textbook question was answer, problem solving, and heuristic methods. Chemical equation is shorthand method of describing the chemical reaction in the term of symbols and formula of the substance. For example, when we add 1 mole of hydrogen to nitrogen gas, it will produce ammonia gas. In order to fulfill the law of conservation of mass, balance the chemical equation by adding 2 with ammonia and 3 with hydrogen gas as a coefficient. In the last, we will learn the mole and the Avogadro numbers along their calculations concept by using deductive, trial and error, textbook and demonstration methods. The atomic mass, molecular mass, and formula mass of a substance expressed in the gram is known as mole. 1 mole is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised 23 particles. 6.02 into 10 raised 23 is a constant value to calculate the number of atoms or molecules present in 1 mole and known as Avogadro's number. We concluded the little overview of the fundamentals of chemistry, and for more detailed topics, please connect it with us. Thank you.